welcome to GEMS family. Today we have invited some of our alumni from the industry to take mock GDPIs of our current batch, which is 2015-17. So I would request them to share their views and experiences about the whole process. In this regard, I welcome Ms. Preeti. She is our alumni from 2018 batch. She would like to share some of her experience of today's whole process. So I request Preeti to say something about the process.
So we had this session which was a mock GDPI session today. We are almost through with half the session and we had taken interviews of a lot of students. One thing that I would like to say to students is please be focused on your career. There are a lot of them who are basically following the flock. Please don't do it. Do what actually interests you. So if you know that you are good with comm skills, you know that marketing interests you, please go with it. Don't go with HR or finance just because your friends are doing it, right? So I've also seen a batch of students when I interviewed them today who are very well aware of what they have to do, and it was happy to meet such students because you have that kind of belongingness to them. It's just 8, 10, so 6 years that we have passed. So we can relate to them. We understand there are a lot of butterflies in the stomach when you are in this stage and you don't know what you have to do in the future. And the doubts that they have are very genuine. Every student has it. All I will say to them is that please be focused and follow your heart. If your brain wants to do finance and your heart wants to do HR, please go with HR. It's not a 1-2 year journey. Whatever you specialize in or whatever decision to take right now is going to actually mold your future to a great extent. So let us make sure and let us give that kind of space to our students also that they can do what they want to do instead of directing them every time. They are old enough to understand what they have to do. They are not kids now, and if I'm not wrong, they are more knowledgeable and they are more exposed to the market as we used to be maybe 6 years back because these things are very open now, right? They have higher opportunities. There are a lot of startups coming up, so which was not there when we used to sit for our placements. So if there are startups and they are open to take risk and they are open to join in and have good kind of knowledge, they should always go ahead with it.
And apart from all this, anything which you would like to give students about the entire SIP program? Like some of these students maybe still might not be clear about the specializations which they have to take upon. So like how they can assess themselves that what is best for them.
See, everybody knows themselves much more than anybody else knows them, right? So I know what are my strengths and I know what are my weaknesses. The only thing is I have to listen to what my heart says, right? So if I know that I'm somebody who is not good with numbers, but the finance is giving me excellent job, what is the point of taking that job if I would not be able to perform, right? Instead, I should go ahead with something wherein I would be the best performer, right? So there are no guidelines for taking specializations. I will not say कि anybody sitting in this row should take HR, इस row को finance दे दो, इसको marketing दे दो. It doesn't work like that, right? Every individual is different from the other, right? वो हर बच्चे की अपनी specialization.
They should choose specialization according to the skills they have. They need to work out on what skills they are.
Skills and interest.
Interest area. Both will give them the good result about choosing.
And plus, we have excellent faculties. We have always had excellent faculties, and they have always guided students well. Right. So when we were in that kind of stage, we were also being taught by the faculties कि ये चीज़ मत करो, ये चीज़ ये करो, this is good for you, this is not good for you. So that kind of guidance is always there with them. But at the end of the day, it is completely their decision. Right. They have to have the onus of that decision. It cannot be a playing game. आपने बोला था, because you have to go out in the market and you have to perform. Right. So the decision has to be theirs. The only thing that they need is guidance, for which I think all the faculties are always there. The alumni are always there. They can always come to us. They can ask us any questions that they have. Any questions related to industry, growth, whatever. We are always there to help them out. But then they have to come to us. Right? We can't go to them because we don't know them.
Exactly.
Right?
Okay, this was